we are derived the equation for force acts on a current carrying conductor in the magnetic field is F is equal to BIL sin theta. It is maximum when the magnetic field length of the conductor are perpendicular to each other, the force becomes maximum, that is F is equal to BIL. Now, in this topic, force acts between two straight current carrying conductors. Okay, here we take two conductors. One is P, another is Q, separated by distance R. When the current is passing through them, what happen? When the current is passing through two straight conductors, in between them the force is acts, but that force may be attraction and may be a repulsion. When the current is passing through two straight conductors separated by r distance, between them force is acts, that force may be attraction or repulsion. When it is attraction, when it is repulsion, this is important for 2 marks. Number 1, attraction force acts between two straight conductors. Attraction force acts between two straight conductors when current flows in the same direction. Through the P, through the Q, current in the same direction, between them attraction force is acts. When the repulsion, when the current flows through P and Q are opposite, in this direction, another one is in this direction. Repulsion force acts when current, repulsion force acts between the two straight current carrying conductor when current flows in opposite direction. One is in this direction, one is in this direction. So, repulsion force is acts. Attraction force, same direction. Repulsion force, opposite direction. Okay, how much that force? For that, we want to derive one mathematical equation. Now, let us see how we can derive this. Now, this is the conductor P. Through this, current is how much? I1. When current passing through the conductor P at r distance, magnetic induction is established. Magnetic induction at r distance, when current I1 flows through the conductor P, it is a straight conductor. When current passing through the straight conductor, what is the equation? B1 is equal to mu 0 I1 by 2 pi r. Why? Current passing through the first conductor is I1. So, magnetic induction also B1. Now, when current is passing through the second conductor, the current is I2. Now, again magnetic induction is established by the conductor Q. Now, magnetic induction at r distance, when current I2 flows through the conductor Q is, current is I2, magnetic induction is B2. B2 is equal to mu 0 I2 by 2 pi r. It is equation 2. By conductor P, magnetic induction is B1 is equal to mu 0 I1 by 2 pi r. And by conductor Q, the magnetic induction B2 is equal to mu 0 I2 by 2 pi r. Now, force acts on conductor P lies in the magnetic field B2 is. Okay, when current is passing through the conductor, it produces a magnetic field in this direction and in this direction. In this direction, magnetic field is there, this magnetic field is B2. In this magnetic field, this conductor is there. Here magnetic field is in this direction, B2 is in this direction, current is in this direction. Both are perpendicular. So, what is the equation for the force? F is equal to BIL. But here, F is equal to B2 I1L. Let us take equation 3. Substitute B2 value from equation 2. Mu 0 I2 by 2 pi r I1L. So, we get the equation F is equal to mu 0 I1 I2 L by 2 pi r. Now, force acts on conductor Q lies in the magnetic field B1 is. Now let us see. When current is passing through the conductor P, the magnetic induction established in this direction. Now this conductor produces the magnetic field in this direction. Now the current through the conductor is in this direction. Both are perpendicular. Again, the force is acts. What is the equation for the force? F is equal B1 I2L. Let us take equation 4. Here B1 substitute from 1. So what we can get? F is equal mu 0 I1 2 pi r I2L. So finally F is equal mu 0 I1 I2L by 2 pi r. Now what is indicates these two equations? These two equations are indicates when current passing through the straight conductors in the same direction or opposite direction, the force is same. How much the force? F is equal mu 0 I1 I2 L by 2 pi r. Means when the current flows through the two straight conductors, in between them attraction when current flows in the same direction, repulsion when the current flows in opposite direction, the attraction force and repulsion force magnitude is same. Now what is the equation for it is F is equal mu 0 I1 I2L by 2 pi r. From this equation we get the definition of ampere. From this equation we get the definition of ampere. Now let us see how we can define the ampere. What is ampere? Ampere is the unit of the current. From this equation we define the ampere. Now let I1 is equal to IT is equal to 1 ampere, R is equal to 1 meter. If we can substitute there, what we can get? F is equal to mu 0 1 into L by 2 pi into 1. We know the value of mu 0 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into L by 2 pi. Cancel 2 into 10 power minus 7 L. So F by L is equal 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter. From this we can define the ampere. Definition of ampere. How we can define? Which when current passing through two straight conductors are separated by 1 meter apart in free space per every meter length of conductor 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton force is acts. Then that current is called ampere. Okay. Now what is the definition of ampere? Means which when current passing through the two straight conductors, separated by 1 meter apart in free space per every meter length of the conductor, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton force is acts. Then that current is called ampere. Okay, this is the definition of ampere. What is the definition of the ampere? Which when current passing through two straight conductors separated by 1 meter apart in free space, per every meter length of the conductor 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton force is acts, then that current is called ampere.